Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mariza Salsabila. I am in Biologi Education 3A Kelas Muhammadiyah University Professor Dr. Hamka. I want to tell about the material about bacteria. Understanding of bacteria. Bacteria are part of the eubacteria, which are known as real bacteria and are prokaryotes. Prokaryote or prokaryotic is a classification of living things based on the presence or absence of a membrane that encloses the cell nucleus. Characteristic feature of bacteria: single cell, monocellular, small size, generally not chlorophyll. The cell nucleus does not have a membrane, can live in any place, more resistant to low temperature. The cell wall contains peptidoglycan compounds, rod, ball, spiral, reproduced by dividing and conjugation, transformation, and transduction. Bacterial properties. The cell nucleus has no walls, called prokaryotes. Reproduction by divide. Several types of bacteria, especially Rhodopsis 1, can form endospores, which is useful to protect yourself against bad environment. Bacteria at varying temperatures and a certain pH according to the type. Bacterial body structure. A. Outer body. Outside the cell wall. It is an outer layer which is a thick material that surrounds the bacterial cell wall and is a mucous layer. Serve as A. Protector. B. Food reserve storage. C. Unit bacteria into colonies. D. Increase the ability of bacteria to infect. Characteristic. A. Capsule. Solid and large in number. B. Mucous layer. D. Not dense and not thick. 2. Flagella. Is a very thin hair and stick out through the cell wall. Characteristic feature. Larger than the cell. The diameter is smaller than the cells. The shape is wavy. The structure is very strong. Has a unique movement mechanism. Serve as A. Tool for movement of bacteria. B. To respond to stimuli. 3. Pili. It is a filament or thread stronger, more abundant and shorter than the flagellum. Serve as A. The gateway to the entry of genetic material during mating between bacteria. B. To put yourself in the tissue, which is the source of its nutrients. B. Inside the body. Inside the cell wall. 1. Cell wall. Located between the capsule and the cell membrane. Serve as A. Give strength and shape to bacteria. B. Prevent cell from breaking. C. Regulate the exchange of substance from and to outside the cells. 2. Cell membrane. Is the membrane covering the cytoplasm located inside the cell wall. Serve as A. Adjust the selectivity of the osmosis gradient by food transfer. B. Organize the formation of cell wall. C. Place base of attachment of the flagellum. 3. Genetic material. Made up of DNA. It is in the nucleus. 4. Ribosome. Is a cell organelle. Serve as a base for protein synthesis. 5. Mesosome. a liquid that is colloidal and contains all the substance necessary for cell life. Consists of A. Cytoplasmic region, contains protein RNA particle. B. Nucleus region, consists of chromosome. C. Liquid part, consists of lipid, glycogen, polyphosphate, and starch. D. Bacterial cells, defense against unfavorable environment. 7. Plasmid is a piece of DNA that is separate from a large part of DNA and is in the form of a ring. Serve as A. The vector carrying the foreign DNA into the host bacteria. B. Bacterial cell defense against unfavorable environments. Form of bacteria. A. Based on outward form. 1. Coccus. Shape round base. The variation include A. Monococcus 1-on-1 singular. B. Diplococcus 2 pair. C. Streptococcus chain shape. D. Staphylococcus bunch like grapes. D. Sarcina cluster to form a tube. 2. Bacille. The variation include A. Monobacille singular. B. Diplobacille in pairs. C. Streptobacille chain shapes. 3. Vibria 4. Spiral. B. Based on locomotion. Flagellum 1. Attractive, has no flagellum. 2. Monotric, has a flagellum at one end. 3. Lototric, has a number of flagella at one end. 4. Amphitric, has a number of flagella at both ends. 5. Peritric, has flagella on all body surface. C. Based on gram strain. 1. Gram-positive bacteria is a bacteria that cannot be declared with 95% ethyl alcohol after staining with violet and iodine. Produce a purple color. 2. Gram-negative bacteria. It is a bacteria whose color is easily removed with 95% ethyl alcohol, so that it is difficult to see by a microscope. Does not produce or produce color. The need for oxygen. Respiration of bacteria. Based on the need for oxygen, bacteria can be divided into two, namely aerobic bacteria and anaerobic bacteria. A. Aerobic bacteria are bacteria that require free